Welcome to back the channel Mr. Wheel Wonders. Today I've got something that will completely redefine what you think a luxury vehicle can be. This is not just a motorhome, not just a premium RV, and not just a futuristic living space on wheels. This is the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a machine that takes the legendary Cadillac DNA of elegance, technology, and bold American design and stretches it into a full-size, ultra-premium rolling mansion. And trust me, what Cadillac has unveiled is nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine a vehicle that delivers the comfort of a five-star penthouse, the presence of a luxury yacht, and the power and refinement of a flagship SUV. That's exactly what Cadillac has created here. The first thing that grabs your attention is the sheer size of this motorhome. Its massive grille, sculpted in Cadillac's signature layered style, dominates the front like a moving monument of chrome and authority. The burgundy metallic paint glows under natural light, giving off a deep, rich mirror-like finish that instantly signals premium craftsmanship. The sleek LED headlights are elegantly wrapped into aerodynamic body lines, giving the motorhome a futuristic look that is unmistakably Cadillac. As you walk around the side, you notice the long, streamlined profile. The body stretches smoothly, revealing massive slide-out sections that widen the interior space into something comparable to a luxury apartment. Giant tinted windows run the length of the vehicle, blending privacy with aesthetic beauty. Chrome accents, LED strip lighting, and oversized multi-spoke chrome wheels turn the entire side view into a blend of strength and sophistication. Cadillac didn't just build an RV, they created a statement. But the magic really begins when you step inside. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome feels like entering a private jet fused with a high-end hotel suite. Soft, warm ambient lighting welcomes you instantly, bathing the interior in a luxurious glow. Cadillac has used only the finest materials: premium leather upholstery in beige and brown tones, glossy wooden cabinetry that reflects the light beautifully, and marble-style countertops that create a sense of elegance rarely seen in motorhomes. As you walk into the lounge area, you'll find plush seating crafted with Cadillac's signature attention to comfort. The seats feel like high-end recliners, equipped with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Large panoramic windows fill the space with natural light during the day, giving you stunning views of your surroundings no matter where you travel. The entertainment system includes a massive Ultra HD display and a surround audio system that brings cinema-quality sound to your road trips. The kitchen area follows the same luxury theme. High-end appliances, intelligent controls, and ample storage make it easy to prepare meals just like you would at home. The countertops have a marble-like finish that pairs elegantly with the deep-toned cabinetry. Everything feels carefully planned, intuitive, and built to the highest standards. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom area provides true hotel luxury. A large, plush bed sits under soft ambient lighting, offering a peaceful atmosphere perfect for resting after a long day on the road. Built-in storage spaces, soft fabric wall panels, and a smart climate control system ensure maximum comfort. And yes, Cadillac didn't forget the bathroom. You get a beautifully designed space with a walk-in shower, premium fixtures, and a clean, modern aesthetic. Of course, Cadillac didn't stop at comfort. They packed this motorhome with cutting-edge technology. A fully integrated smart home system allows you to control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security right from your phone or mounted. Touchscreens, voice control, gesture recognition, and automated driving assistance bring future-ready convenience to every trip. And with its powerful hybrid electric powertrain, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome offers strong performance while maintaining impressive efficiency for a vehicle of this size. This motorhome is more than a way to travel, it's a lifestyle upgrade. For families, adventure lovers, and luxury travelers, it represents freedom without compromises. Cadillac took everything people love about high-end SUVs and luxury homes and merged it into a single, stunning machine. So if you're ready to see the future of luxury travel, this is it. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is bold, ambitious, and unlike anything the RV industry has seen before. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you take this masterpiece on your next road trip? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible automotive innovations right here on Mr. Wheel Wonders.